What is going on, everybody? It's just another day in the kitchen, back with another episode. You guys see the picture, the title. You guys know what's going on, guys. Before anything, make sure you guys are following us on Instagram, social media, Twitter, all that good stuff at We Don't Cook Food. One more time, that's We Don't Cook Food, just so you guys are up to date with the latest and the greatest. Now, guys, man, I felt bad. I didn't know if I should make this video or not, but I feel like we should talk about it. You guys see the title, man. When keeping it real goes wrong, when being a sneaker reseller goes wrong, when the clout gets to you goes wrong. Man, this story right here, guys, today I'm going to be talking about none other than probably the most famous sneaker reseller in the game, benjaminkickz. Love him or hate him, the kid is well known for it. He was really at the forefront of this social media influencer stuff a couple years ago, around 2017, I'd say, maybe 2016. Kid, rose to notoriety due to being neighbors with DJ Khaled. So mom and dad blessed him, gave him the tools he needed to succeed. What did he do with that? He had a little bit of a career on Instagram where he was essentially plugging celebrities in, always, taking photos with them. And then eventually I think he dropped a couple tracks trying to be a rapper. I guess using those connections with those celebrities. But you have to remember, at the end of the day, a lot of that stems from his relationship with DJ Khaled, him plugging him. So again, no shade on my end. Some people are just born and blessed with the silver spoon, others are not. But today we have to talk about Mr. Kickz himself. So what happened, guys? This story broke that right here through Complex, as you guys can see, benjaminkickz. Basically, the way the story goes is a little bit after New Year's Eve, sometime around then, the victim, this 19-year-old kid, had allegedly taken a photo of him being benjaminkickz. benjaminkickz accused him of taking a photo without his permission. benjaminkickz and his boys did not like that. I guess the 19-year-old victim denied this. benjaminkickz then allegedly, and they say allegedly, stole the kid's they stole the kid's phone, and then his boys proceeded to beat up the kid pretty substantially before you guys even start to hop on the hate train and say, oh, just take it. Maybe, he was acting shady. The article actually says that the 19-year-old victim required surgery and sustained some pretty serious injuries. So sounds like benjaminkickz and his boys, stomped out this boy. I don't know, guys. I want to know what you guys think about it. There's a pretty decent quote here in the article. I'll go ahead and throw it up right now, where it talks about clout and status, and that basically, despite what your status is, whether it's on social media, whether you're a celebrity or not, you have to remember that it's not, permission for you to act out of pocket and assault people. So I don't know, guys. Like I said, I was kind of reluctant to make this video, but I feel like I have to cover it just because benjaminkickz is the biggest reseller in the game. It's 2021. Just wanted to get this content out here, guys. This is the road to 1,000 subs for me. I'm almost at 500. I haven't been able to take it as serious as I want to, but I'm going to keep dropping videos like this, talking about the culture, sneaker reviews, whatever else you guys want to see in the comments, let me know. But yeah, guys, I want to know what your guys' opinion is. If you didn't already see in the video, I actually had a couple of my boys back in the day link up with benjaminkickz when he was around maybe 16, 17 years old. Obviously back then it was a big deal. He was a really big influencer. He made a lot of money just being kind of paraded around at sneaker conventions. These guys would hire YouTubers, people like benjaminkickz and whatnot, Supreme Patty, Pretty Boy Fredo, Flight Academy, whatever. People like that, they would be hired by sneaker conventions to be guests. So it was just really accessible. It was an easy way for you to meet your favorite YouTuber just by going to a sneaker convention. You're being exposed to the culture. So it was kind of a win-win. And yeah, it was kind of an exciting deal for my friend at the time wearing the kitchen shirt to meet benjaminkickz, to get a picture with him. I think he got his phone number and they stayed in touch a little bit, being that we're all in Florida. Florida gang represent, man. But yeah, guys, enough of that. I just want to get your guys' opinion. Do you think that what benjaminkickz did was right? Do you think it was wrong? Do you understand where he's coming from? As always, I know there are two sides to every story, so that's why I kind of wanted to talk to you guys about it, see what you guys think. And another question, who do you guys think is the biggest reseller in the game? I'm not really hip to all of the sneaker YouTubers or even on Instagram. I know there's people with a lot more followers than I have, that are really making a crazy killing off of it. So I just wanted to know your opinion. Let me know in the comments. As always, guys, please like this video, subscribe. Once we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to do something crazy for you guys. A really nice giveaway to really give back. Like I said, we're almost at 500, but let me know in the comments what you think. And as always, guys, Happy New Year to you. I wish you all the best of luck this year. Many more W's on sneakers and more. And stay safe, guys. Thank you for cooking with the kitchen. Peace.